Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about clamps. Of course, the old saying is you can never have enough clamps, and it's always the right clamps at the right time that makes a difference too. Lately, lots of clamps have been coming out with what I call fast action methods. There's the quick grip type clamps and some ratchet type clamps that are really popular. Bora has come out with some new fast actions that are really worth looking at. This is their pistol grip clamp, and this is very similar in looks to the quick grip clamp, but it is a lot faster action. It works really good. There's a trigger here to release, and one of my favorite features is it's really fast. You just pop this little thing here, take that off, put it on the other side. It slides right on, and then you just lock that in again. And now you have a pusher, which is really handy for if you were going to spread something, like if I was going to take apart this frame that I just glued up, I could use it as a spreader like that. Great for disassembling a chair if you were doing a chair repair, that sort of thing. Really handy clamp, and has 400 pounds of clamping force, which I think is more than the quick grips too. Very nice ergonomic feel to it, and nice protected pads. It is very fast and easy to adjust, and clamps good and solid. The other kind that I really like from Bora is this is a new ratchet type clamp. Now, if you're not familiar with these, they're very handy to use. You basically just slide the top movable bar down, and then you just push this lever up, and you develop a lot of clamping force. These are like 300 pounds clamping force, and really nice. Now, I was a little worried when I first got these that this polymer handle would not hold up, because I'd seen some that were metal handles from other manufacturers, but I've really cranked on this thing and I have not been able to deflect it or do any damage to it. Very nice and real easy. These come in 6 and 12-inch sizes. This is the 6-inch size right here. Nice protected pads. Very nice clamp. Now, another clamp from Bora that is not strictly speaking a fast action clamp, but it seems like a fast action clamp because it works faster than comparable ones. This is the parallel clamp, and I just used it to clamp up this Japanese screen that I'm making. And I'll unclamp it here so you can see it. It looks fairly conventional, but boy, it's so much easier to move back and forth. There are ridges in the bar on both sides. It grips really solid, has a lot of force, 1,100 pounds of clamping force. Nice protected pad covers, and they will stand up so that it's easy to do a clamping setup, and you just slide it in and clamp it up. Really nice and fast. Again, all of these are from Bora, which used to be Portamate. It's Bora is the name now. If you'd like to see more tool reviews and product reviews, and the latest in news, the woodworking industry, check out woodworkingnetwork.com, or look for us in the pages of FDMC magazine. Thanks for watching.